Good morning, we are just docking in Latvia, but first let's go get some breakfast. Breakfast this morning is absolute chaos, so I've had to resort to having my breakfast outside. Good morning from Riga, we have finally got off the ship, yay! Let's go and have a wander around. Just look how much untouched snow there is. I mean, there's mountains of snow. It's fantastic. I've never gone on a holiday that's had so much snow. It's just so pretty. I really love the fact that being on a smaller cruise ship means we can get into places where the larger cruise ships can't. For those of you that didn't know, Riga is Latvia's capital city and it's set on the Baltic Sea, and it's also known for its museums, concert halls and lots of wooden buildings. Did you know that back in 2003 Riga was actually the host for Eurovision Song Contest, the 48th Eurovision Song Contest? Many people do visit Riga for the cultural history, but also the medieval buildings and the medieval town, which is also pedestrian only and has plenty of shops and restaurants near Livu Square. One thing I have found is with this cruise in particular, the times that we do dock are usually around 8, maybe 9 o'clock in the morning. So when we do get off in port, the shops are either just about to open or we've got about an hour or so until they do open. So I mean, it's nice to get off and walk around when it's pretty quiet, but also if you're a shopper and you want to go into the shops, then you might be a little bit disappointed if you get off too early. Here we are in the old town, and this is Riga Cathedral, which was built in the 13th century and is the largest medieval church in the Baltic states. If you've watched any of our videos before, you'll know that we do enjoy going into a supermarket in whatever country we go to. So here's another one. Also, the currency here in Riga Latvia is the euro. I do love exploring a new town and seeing all the sights that it has to offer. It's kind of giving like oldie worldy vibes, and I'm definitely here for it. It's all just so pretty. I know it's such a touristy thing to do, to get a picture of the sign, or usually a selfie with the sign, but this one was, we had to wait a long time to get a picture with pretty much no one in it, so here we go. So if you are out and about in Riga, Latvia and nature calls, there are plenty of toilets that you can use. They do take card only, and it is 50 cents. So no cash, card only, 50 cents, and then you can go when nature calls. When my husband doesn't know, I know he's going to throw a snowball at me. Back on board the ship, and of course it is time for dinner. The main dining room food has been absolutely delicious so far. Thanks for watching, we really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you in the next one.